ON's third year. Part C, Broad. Final suggestion, 2023. Course, Restoration and 18th Century Fiction. Course code 231107. Session, 2020-21 and Improvement. Orinoco. 1. Comment on the narrative style in Orinoco and illustrate your answer. 2. Sketch the character of Orinoco. 3. Discuss the theme of anti-colonialism in Behnn's Orinoco. Why is Orinoco considered to be an anti-colonial novel? Robinson Crusoe. 4. How far is Robinson Crusoe a colonial novel? Elucidate. Robinson Crusoe is an allegorical journey to imperialism. Discuss. 5. The story of Robinson Crusoe is a truthful representation of human life. Elucidate. 6. Write a note on the theme of sin, punishment and repentance in Robinson Crusoe. Tom Jones. 7. Comment on the discovery of Tom's parentage at the end of the novel Tom Jones. 8. Tom Jones as a picaresque novel. 9. Tom Jones is a faithful representation of mid-18th century England. Elucidate. 10. Comment on the theme of the novel Tom Jones. Gulliver's Travels. 11. Gulliver's Travels as a political satire. How does Swift satirize the contemporary politics of England through his voyages to Lilliput and Brobdingnag? 12. How does Swift satirize science in Gulliver's Travels?